Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Rios. What I will be presenting tonight will be the installation of the transformer needed to power up my LED lamp. This is my LED lamp. This is the same as the one being used in the casinos. So actually in the casinos, they got so many of this one powering up the ceiling. And it lights the casino. So actually, the casino minimize on the electricity bill because this LED lamp consume uh, not so much power, but it's very bright. So in here, I will be using this one as my table lamp when I'm troubleshooting and when I'm studying. So what I did is that the power requirement or the voltage requirement of this one is actually AC. And it so happened that I got an adapter a while ago. An adapter. This is the adapter. I opened the case. I removed the transformer. I removed the diodes that rectify the output because the output of this one a while ago was at 12 volts DC. Since the requirement of this LED is actually AC, I don't need the diodes on the secondary. So what I did after opening the case, I remove the diodes, I remove the electrolytic capacitor, I bring out the secondary terminal of the transformer, I bring out the input terminal of the transformer. So the primary side of this transformer is actually 120 volts. So I am here in the USA, so this is 120. And after bringing out the terminals, I measured the voltage on this one it came out to be 13.5 volts AC. So I place a sticker on the side that the voltage specification of this transformer is 120 volts input on the primary. On the output is 13.5 volts alternating current. I removed the diodes and what you call this capacitor. So since there are no diode and capacitor here, supposed to be the output of this one is alternating current. That is the one I needed to power up this LED lamp here. And I didn't show you anymore the actual soldering and reheating of this one, but just to show you that I did this one, I got my tools over here. This is my lead, this is my soldering face, this is my helping hand, this is my heat shrink tubing, this is my multi-tester to measure the voltage output of this transformer here. I got my soldering station here, which comprises of a heat gun and what you call this, a soldering gun. Oh, this is very modern because I use this soldering station to actually assemble my different kits like the one here. Okay, that clock there and that FM radio there I assembled by using this what you call this soldering station, even this one. And to continue with the construction of the power of this power needed for this LED lamp. So what I did is that I bring out an extension wire which will be plugged in on the outlet. Okay. I soldered this one on the primary side of the transformer. So after soldering, to avoid electrocution or being electric shock, okay, while you're using it, after soldering, I put a heat shrink tubing, then I try to blow this one with the heat gun. So the primary side, which is very dangerous because it's 120 volts AC, it is safe now because it is covered with the heat shrink tubing. So I even place a zip tie here. So I don't always toggle with the connection because the dangerous thing here is that if you keep always toggling this one, the primary side might get disconnected, and it so happen that you touch it and you will get electrocuted. So avoid electrocution or being electric shock. Okay, after soldering, I put an insulation here by using a heat shrink tubing. On the secondary side, I got a speaker wire here. Okay, it's a stranded wire, so it doesn't consume too much voltage drop when I use it to connect to the LED lamp. The connection of the LED lamp is here. It goes down here, and the other end is actually this one. So on the secondary side, again, I solder the two connections because I measure the voltage, and the voltage is 13.5 volts AC. So after soldering, again, this is a 13.5 volts AC. You don't just touch an alternating current. But a 13.5 volts DC, it will be fine. But for AC, for me, I have been troubleshooting for a long time, and I don't touch a 13.5 volts AC. So what I did is that after soldering, again, I place a heat shrink tubing, then I blew it with a heat gun to cover the terminals. So there will be no accidental touch. This is alternating current. You might get a little bit of electric shock just in case you touch this one. But for this, it's fine. Okay? So this is the other end. I solder again the secondary wire to the wire that goes to the LED. So again, I solder it, and to prevent an accidental, accidental touching of the connection wires, this should be upper, the first one, and this should be lower. This should not be aligned. Then after soldering, I get the heat shrink tubing for both sides. Then I blow it with the heat gun. Okay? So there will be no accidental short-circuiting here. So right now, the connection of the transformer from the outlet going to the LED lamp is now complete. Okay? That's the LED lamp. That's the one being used in casinos. Like, for example, at the so-called Valley View Casino. That's the one they're using it. It's very bright, and it consumes small power. It's bright, and the good thing about it is it's very bright. So right now, I have satisfied already the power requirement for this LED. The voltage requirement of this one is alternating current, 12 volts AC. Okay, so this is 13.5 volts AC, it's fine. So if we try to check if this really works, I plug in the primary of the transformer, I plug it in. Okay, this is now connected in series. Actually, the connection from the secondary going to the LED is now a complete circuit. So what is only needed now is actually to power up the outlet. And to check if this really works, okay, I will try to switch on the switch, and it works. Okay, it works. It's very bright. Okay, it's very bright. You can see all my tools by just using that LED lamp. That LED lamp is this one here. I want to focus this one on the camera. Okay, it's very bright. It's working. The voltage requirement is easy. So this is a successful, construction of the power of this LED lamp. Okay. Okay, that's for now. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes from Los Angeles, California. Good morning.